Am I the only one that's bothered by the fact that you're expected to work 2 weeks before you get a paycheck? We're putting in hard time, and then we have to wait like half a month, if not longer, to earn our money. Well, that stops today, because in today's video, I'm going to give you some options of websites that you can go to when you are broke. And even if you're not broke, websites that you can go to that will pay you faster than your 9 to 5. You do work one day, you get paid that day. So if you're somebody that needs some money and you want money fast and you might not be able to make it the next payday, make sure you watch this video all the way through, because you're going to be missing some hidden gems if you decide to skip through this video. I promise you that. So do me a favor real quick, because the algorithm has been hating on your girl. So let's hit that algorithm in the face and let them know that you like this video. Just hit the thumbs up, because you know you're going to like it. I'm giving you ways to make money. What's not to like about that? And if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe and turn on your notifications, because you know, you got to be part of the Nikki Connected crew. With that out of the way, let's talk about these websites that you can go to when you are broke that will pay you faster than your 9 to 5. Let's go. All right, this first website is InstaGC. This is a website that you can go to and do surveys, watch videos, and even do offers, and they will pay you cash through direct deposit, or if you prefer your money through PayPal, you can do that. And they have, for you gift card lovers out there, they have a bunch of gift cards. And the best thing of all is that they pay instantly. Okay, so when you do something and you get your points, you can cash them out for your money right away.
Once you sign up for a free account on InstaGC, your page will look something like this. Let's start with what everybody wants to know. What gift cards do they have? These are examples of just some of the gift cards. Look, they have 12 pages full of them. And the best part is InstaGC is available in many different countries.
InstaGC is one of my faves, because if you need that money right here, right now, you need some bills paid, you can go on there, do a bunch of tasks, and you will actually be able to get your money right then on the spot. Okay, no waiting 2 weeks.
When you do get a gift card from them, the minimum cash out is only 100 points, which is $1. So you can cash out for $1 gift card. Trust and believe, I've done it plenty of times. Let me show you the other option that you have to cash out. So you would go to redeem, hit other rewards, and then you'll see your other options to cash out, including Bitcoin, direct deposit, and PayPal. Now the real question is, how do you earn this money? Well, in order to do that, you go to the Earn tab. On this recommended page, you will find all the best options to earn free gift cards or cash on InstaGC. So if you want to sign up for InstaGC, the link will be down below the video. And this is a refer a friend link. So you clicking on my link will also help me out, and it will help you out. We both get bonus points. So make sure you use my link. And just so you know, InstaGC is a website, but if you prefer to use it on mobile, you can still use it on mobile. It definitely will work on your phone.
And if you want to sign up, if you use my link down below, you'll get some bonus points when you sign up. So make sure you use my link. And when you use my link, whether it's this one or the other ones that I mentioned in this video, you're supporting a single mom, you're supporting this channel, and I appreciate you for it. So please do use my links. Let me lead with this. This next option has paid me over $1,500 for doing what I already do. Are you listening? Okay, so this website is called Ibotta. I really like Ibotta for those of us that are adulting, especially us parents out there. We have no choice but to do our grocery shopping, right? We got to feed the kids, right? So on the Ibotta website, and they also have an app, if you go on there, you will see what grocery items they have. And it's not just groceries, like they even have like household items and stuff like that, like shampoos, all that good stuff. All the stuff that we have to buy, they have it in there. They even have magazines. So they have something for everybody. When you cash out on Ibotta, you don't have to wait days. If you cash out through PayPal, they say give them like a day or so. No, they will put that money in your PayPal account like instantly. Anytime I've ever done PayPal, it goes in right away. Before, I was doing direct deposit and was getting it sent to my bank account. That can take up to 3 days. If you have a PayPal account, you should probably cash out through PayPal so you can get that money instantly, and then you can transfer it to your bank account. But if you go into Ibotta and you buy this particular product, then you will get a rebate for your purchase. So for example, they might have a 2-liter bottle of Pepsi and they're giving $1 rebate, right? And what if you don't have a real preference between Coke and Pepsi, but you know you wanted to buy a bottle of soda for your household? No brainer. Grab the bottle of Pepsi because Pepsi and Coke are typically about the same price. So you can apply that method to anything that you need to buy when you're doing your grocery shopping. And Ibotta still works if you buy online and pick up in store, or if you get your groceries delivered. So you just go to the Ibotta website before you make your purchase, pick out which items that you want your rebate for, and then if you happen to do it physically where you went to the store and did your grocery shopping, you can scan your receipt and then they will give you your rebate normally within an hour. They say give them like up to 24 hours or something. Literally within minutes, I get my rebates. And the best thing is on Ibotta, when you cash out, you can cash out for $20. Ibotta not only pays cash, but they also have gift cards in there as well. Like I said, I've earned over $1,500 so far and still counting. And let me grab my coffee for this one. If you happen to sign up for Ibotta, I'm putting my link for Ibotta down below, and you definitely want to use this link because it has a $10 bonus attached. Okay. That means if you go in there and you get one item, and some of the items, let me say, some of the items will give you 100% of your money back, okay? But if you go in Ibotta and you get one item where you get a rebate, right? They will throw on that $10 bonus. So even if your rebate is $1, you're already making $11 back. That's most likely more than the cost of the item that you're buying. Yeah, make sure you sign up for Ibotta using my link down below. Get your bonus. Let's move on to the next one. This next website is one that is for the long term. So listen up, okay? Etsy. I know y'all have heard of Etsy. Don't go fast forwarding because you're like, oh, I don't have products to sell. Listen, Linda, listen. The thing about Etsy is you can sell digital products on there that cost you nothing to make. Okay, so you can literally make money from no money on Etsy. All right, this is how you gonna do it, right? So I personally, I have an Etsy store. I actually just revamped my store. So those of you that have been in my store before, it looks nothing like it did before. I actually cleared out all of my items and I'm putting in different items. The item that I recently put in there and it's already starting to sell, and the first day I sold one, this is a digital planner. So this would be basically a planner that somebody could put on their iPad. They can take notes on it. They can do their monthly budgets on it. It just has so many features, okay? If you want to check it out, I'll link it down below so you can see it, and I'll link my Etsy store. That's just one example of a digital product that you can sell. And the reason why we're selling a digital product is because we don't have to pay for shipping, all right? So instead of hand making an item and having to go to the post office and physically ship it and pay for postage, no. We are not doing that here. No, we sell the digital products. And while you're sleeping, Etsy can make that product accessible to that person. Once they pay for it, they get access to it right away. So you don't even have to do anything. You just upload the file into Etsy and you're on your way. You're making your money, okay? I actually did an entire video on how to do that. So after this video, check that out, okay? Remember, I said when you're broke, right? If you're signing up for Etsy, make sure you use my link down below. I'm giving you 40 free listings. So that way, when you sign up, when you start your store, you're not paying to list your first 40 items. Your first 40 listings will be completely free. So you can upload as many digital products as you want, or if you want to do the physical products, feel free. You go ahead, do your thing. Now here's an extra gem for you. There is a platform that I use and it's called Sales Samurai. So what I did was I linked my Etsy store up to it. And what it does is it basically spies on the competition. It tells you what keywords your competition is using so that you can use those keywords and overtake them in the rankings. And they have a whole bunch of other features. They'll let you know which products are trending, all that kind of stuff. And they'll let you know which listings are at the top so that you can basically copy their plan, right? So I'm going to link Sales Samurai down below, and I have a code Nikki20. If you use that code, you will get 20% off for life if you sign up for Sales Samurai. But let's move on to the next option, and that is Swagbucks. listen, this list is not in any particular order, okay? Because if it was, Swagbucks would have been in the top 2. All right. Swagbucks gives you points that you can turn into money. So you can get your money through PayPal. They have MasterCard gift cards, and they also have a bunch of regular store gift cards, the Amazon gift cards, all that good stuff for those of you that actually care about that. Me, I want the money. Swagbucks has more avenues in order to make money. They have surveys, they have offers, like you can download a mobile game for free and they will pay you to play that mobile game. And I've seen offers as high as like $100 and even higher than that. So we're talking about playing a mobile game. A lot of y'all are playing these mobile games and not making money off of it. Don't dismiss those mobile games or those offers. And they also have other offers as well, where if you download those apps and actually use them, maybe they might ask that you add like $5 to like Acorns or something. You will get like $40 back. Put in $5, get $40 back. No brainer. And so, you know, if you cash out on Swagbucks, normally I'll get mine within 2 days. So that by far beats waiting 2 weeks to get your payout. Now, Swagbucks doesn't just have the actual Swagbucks platform, but they also have Swagbucks Live, where you can answer trivia questions and they will give you bonus points that go into your Swagbucks account. I'm telling you, just go on the website and see what I'm talking about, because they have so many different ways for you to actually make some extra cash that can carry you in between those paydays. And one of the reasons that's, whoa, hold on, drop my phone. Thanks to Swagbucks, you guys will get a 75-point bonus on top of the normal bonus if you sign up, which is crazy to me. Like, it's just crazy to me that Swagbucks actually really thought about the people of the audience like that. So use my link down below and put in the code NikkiSB, okay? So if you put in that code, you will get that bonus, all right? But you have to be in the US to get that bonus. So I just got to be frank with y'all. Use my link down below, put in that code and get your bonus. All right, so the next option is Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards is one of the underdogs in the industry because they are a website where you can go on and you can do surveys. They have offers. They even have a thing where you can read emails, earn points, and cash them out for real money. And when you cash out, you get your money instantly. If you need money, like right now, right here, right now, Quick Rewards is the go-to. It's one of the best. But don't believe me, check out Quick Rewards for yourself. Make sure you click that link down below. Okay, so this next option is one of my favorites for if you need money, but you can wait up to 7 days, but you want like higher paying, easy work. This one is called User Testing.
Okay, so this is the website. It's usertesting.com. This page is for general. This is like more for the company side of it. Click Get Paid to Test. Now you're on the right page. If you scroll down, you'll be able to get an idea of how it works. The basics are you apply, start looking for jobs, you test, and you earn your money. So in order to sign up, what you would do is put your email address in here and agree to the terms and conditions. Okay, it's really not hard to sign up, but let me show you what it looks like once you're logged in. Now I'm logged into my account and you might start hearing some pinging because while you're on the page, they are actively putting jobs in there for me to do. So as you can see, the very first one is a $60 job. They say this one would take 60 minutes to complete. And this is actually a live job. So they have not only website testing, but they also have ones where you can talk to a live person at a company and give them feedback that way. But as the jobs are coming in, let me explain to you how this works. You would find available tests, which is this page right here. From here, you can scroll through, see what jobs are available. As we saw, that $60 job was there, but I already got some more jobs being offered to me. So most of them are about $10. And I'm going to tell you right now, these often take 10 minutes or less. So literally, you can make $60 an hour or even more. Now, if you pick one of these, you would have to qualify for that test. So just because you choose one does not guarantee that you are going to be able to complete that test and get paid, okay? If you do qualify for a job, you would go through and answer the questions. I'm not trying to get my account banned, so I'm not going to do it. Up here at the top, in addition to available tests, we also have test history. These would be your history of tests that you've already taken. Also, your profile, if you need to do that, messages, and just as important is the Help Center. Here in the Help Center, they have lessons to teach you how to use the platform, as well as frequently asked questions, support. Let me specify again, support, because there's always people that will come in the comments and ask me questions like I work for these companies. I'm self-employed. I don't work for anybody but Nikki. So if you have support questions, those types of things, or something really technical, you might want to reach out to the support center, because I'm telling you, if you ask me technical questions, I'm going to ignore your question. So don't waste your time. Go directly to this page and contact support. And the way that they pay is through PayPal.
So when you're testing the websites, they expect you to speak out loud, and they have something that you will download where it will record your screen as well. Some of them will ask to record your face. I never do those, so you don't have to worry about showing yourself if you don't want to. But they have so many different tests in there. Like literally, if you sign up for user testing, you can expect to be offered at least 100 of them in a day, at least, okay? But you do have to go through questions to see if you qualify for that particular test. I'm telling you, I actively use this website. There was one that, oh no, there was a B. Okay, all right, it's going. There was one that I actually did recently where I put in about maybe 2 minutes of my time, and I was able to get $10 for just putting in a couple minutes of my time. And when you do test a website on user testing, they will pay you within 7 days. The link is down below. Hopefully this was helpful for you. And again, if you do like this type of content, you gotta let the algorithm know. We gotta that algorithm in the face, because they have been hating on your girl and not wanting to pay me. They have been literally paying me on YouTube, not even enough to feed my Dunkin' coffee addiction. But please let YouTube know that you like this video by liking the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you're somebody that likes to stay home and make money online, then you need to be watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.